Okay, we'll make a start. Morning, everyone. Welcome. Thanks for joining. As most of you probably know, my name's Doug, and I'm the IT Project Delivery Manager at Grant McGregor. I'm joined today by Liam and Amy from our Microsoft licensing partner. For anyone who's on the webinar who's not familiar with us, Grant McGregor are an Edinburgh-based IT MSP. We provide IT services to businesses across Scotland, ranging from ongoing support and maintenance to consultancy, project work, procurement and licensing. Today's webinar is about Microsoft Dynamics CRM, and also we're going to touch a little bit on the Microsoft Power Platform. Liam will take you through the webinar, explain what Dynamics CRM is, how it might benefit your business and your day-to-day operations. There is a Q&A box at the top, and there's a little button at the top of Teams there, so you can press that and feel free to ask any questions as we go through. We'll do our best to answer them in the Q&A bit at the end of the presentation, but if we run out of time, then we'll follow up with an email with any answers that we weren't able to get to. The presentation is going to be recorded, so we'll send out a recording link after we're finished. So I'll hand over to Liam now. He'll run through the presentation and I'll just mute myself for the moment. Thanks, Liam.
Yeah, thanks, Doug. Nice to see you all on the webinar today. As Doug said, myself and Amy, we work for Ingram Micro, Microsoft Dynamics 365 licensing specialists and technology partners. Myself, I work as the solutions lead here at Ingram Micro, specifically in the business application space. So all things Dynamics, Power Apps, Power BI, Power Automate, things like that. Amy, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, perfect. Morning, everybody. So I'm Amy Phantom, one of the partner development managers here at Ingram, sitting within the Biz Apps and Power Platform team. I used to work at a partner that delivered and implemented business applications, and also prior to that, I was actually in the accounts industry, so I have a wealth of knowledge within that area.
Right, thanks, Amy.
Oh, Liam, you're muted. I'm not sure if you meant to be or not.
I'm muted. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, we get muted there.
Good start. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'll start again then. So what we're going to do today is take you through a little introduction to Dynamics 365 at a high level, just so that kind of if you don't know what it is, hopefully you can go away at the end with a bit more knowledge. Dynamics 365 consists of CRM applications and modules and ERP modules. So we're just going to go through that as well. Going to take you through the functionality of each application within the Dynamics ecosystem. Dynamics is kind of the umbrella word for all the different applications based on functionality. Obviously, then we'll give you some application overview, and because it fits in nicely with Power Platform, we are going to have a little conversation, a little introduction to Power Platform at the end there. So what are your customers using today? So customers usually say that they're using solutions that aren't integrated together, they're not very productive, and they don't encourage user adoption. So systems like Sage, scalability and customization options are quite limited in Sage. Dynamics offers greater flexibility as your business grows. We've got QuickBooks as well. So QuickBooks might lack sort of advanced reporting capabilities, and obviously it doesn't integrate with the other Microsoft products as well. With Dynamics, especially on the SMB Business Central side, it provides really robust reporting, analytics and Office 365 integration. You might hear you might be using Salesforce. So Dynamics has a bit more of an enhanced CRM functionality compared to Salesforce, and obviously again you've got that seamless Microsoft integration, and Microsoft Dynamics is kind of it spreads across different functionalities, whereas Salesforce is just sales. Zoho, so if you're migrating from Zoho to Dynamics 365, Dynamics would provide more scalability as you grow. Again, you've got that seamless integration. The reporting's better in Dynamics 365, and if you're using Microsoft as a productivity solution, so using Microsoft 365 applications like Outlook, Excel, Word, obviously you've got a stronger security there. And obviously Dynamics 365 has a really strong developer ecosystem, so more and more updates and plugins are available for different workloads in Dynamics 365. Xero, a good one for upgrading to Business Central, just again because Xero has kind of limited scalability. It's for really kind of small one-man bands on the accounting side, and HubSpot. So HubSpot is actually excellent for marketing automation, but obviously Dynamics 365 has a broader suite of tools, including kind of sales functionality, customer service functionality, and you can all integrate that into one platform. So common pain points we hear from customers looking to move CRM or ERP systems. So too many manual processes. So if your existing manual processes are quite cumbersome and time consuming, then Dynamics offers automation to streamline workflows, reduce administration errors, and free up valuable workers' time. Reporting's all over the place, so if your reporting lacks consistency and clarity, then Dynamics 365 provides robust reporting tools with real-time insights and out of the box customizable dashboards for well-informed decision making. They might be looking for a modern system. You might have an outdated system. The current system feels outdated, and you might be looking to embrace modern technology. You might be looking for cloud capabilities, so you might be on-prem. You might be looking for mobile access, and you might be looking for integration with other Microsoft 365 products. I'm going to be saying that a lot today. So you've outgrown your current technology, so it no longer meets your evolving needs as a company. Your growth might have surpassed the capabilities of the current technology. Streamlining licenses. So some CRM systems, some ERP systems, the license management is very complex and inefficient. So with Dynamics 365, it gives you that flexibility. They've got tailored licensing models for user roles, so you can, if you're using the full suite of products, you can bolt on various other products for a cheaper price per user, and you also have that team members license as well, which is read-only access for anyone who just needs information from the system rather than entering data into the system, and those licenses are really cost effective as well. Are your systems siloed? We have kind of a data silo bingo when we're talking at Ingram. It's one of the most common problems. So a lack of integration leads to data silos, and disconnected systems sort of hinder collaboration and data flow across the business. Dynamics 365 can break down silos, which obviously promotes seamless communication across your business and better insights as well. Too many customizations, so excessive customizations might impede some system stability, might impact performance and system maintenance, things like that. And system no longer supported or has an expiration deadline. So is it obsolete? is the end of life looming? Obviously, if it is, it risks security and functionality gaps. Dynamics in the cloud ensures ongoing support, and you always get the most up-to-date product. And obviously, with that comes data compliance. So a bit about CRM versus ERP. We are concentrating on CRM today, but you can't really mention Dynamics without sort of quickly glossing over the ERP side. Business Central is sort of a combination between CRM and ERP, which we'll sort of go over as well a bit later. But for those of you who don't know, so CRM is outward facing. So think of it as your customer touch points, whether it's marketing, sales, or customer service. Key functionality with CRM, so streamline your sales processes, organize your marketing, manage sales pipeline, convert leads, automate your customer service, so case management, things like that, track customer interactions, marketing, sales and customer services, collateral and knowledge bases, data reports, and customer profiles, things like that. ERP is inward facing, so ERP manages everything you'd consider back office and sort of invisible to your customers. These systems drive kind of your organization to be more efficient through sort of process management, supply chain management, knowledge base, accuracy of financial data, and sort of lower your purchase cost as well, and standardize your business procedures. So we've already hinted at differences between those systems, but they both drive towards the same end goal of sort of increasing profitability within your organization, but they approach it from different angles. So ERP focuses on reducing overheads and cutting costs to drive that profitability, while CRM looks to sort of increase profits by producing greater sales volume, greater leads, greater opportunities, things like that. So the Dynamics 365 applications you can see here. So the customer engagement applications, this is how Microsoft labeled them, are all the CRM applications. So your sales, your customer service, and your customer insight / marketing. As I said earlier, Business Central fits in the middle because it's one application that deals with a mixture of CRM and ERP, which is why we're going to talk a little about it today. As you can see, it does sort of financial planning and reporting, business intelligence, really light CRM, but project and product management actually, and service management, which can obviously drive better sales processes and customer service processes as well. These are all separate applications that can be brought together to build a Microsoft Dynamics solution. So Dynamics 365 for sales can obviously integrate with Business Central to offer you kind of one sales and finance solution without data silos. So we mentioned that Dynamics 365 is built from different applications. So I just wanted to go through some key functionality of Business Central and the customer engagement applications, just so that you're aware of what each application does. So Dynamics Business Central, or BC, you might hear in the market, is a comprehensive cloud-based accounting and ERP solution, which is designed to empower your business across various domains and applications and functionality. So some of the key functionality of Business Central, as you can see, the main one in the middle there is financial management, including accounting. So this is where you can handle financial transactions, manage your customer accounts, and track income and expenses. Budgeting and forecasting as well, so you can plan and analyse your financial performance. You get real-time financial visibility, gain insights into cash flow trends and financial health, and obviously helps with year-end closing, which simplifies your month and year-end closing processes. Sales and service management, so sales process management handles quotes, orders, returns and customer accounts, and marketing automation, where you can automate marketing blurb around certain products, which makes it easier to communicate between product sales and marketing. It's not necessarily a marketing feature, but it can help drive better marketing practices. So another key functionality is the purchasing, warehouse and supply chain management function that you get within Business Central. So you can manage purchasing processes, manage invoices, orders, returns and vendor accounts, inventory management, so you can register new items, adjust inventory level and perform costing tasks, and supply chain optimization. So here you can ensure efficient flow of goods and manage your logistical strategies as well. In some cases, you might want to use Business Central to manage some manufacturing processes. So you have assembly management features where you can create new items by combining existing ones, and you have shop floor resource planning as well, so you can define resources, schedule operations and execute production tasks. There's a little bit of project management in there as well, so there's project scheduling where you can allocate resources, monitor progress and track employee hours, and there's service order tracking as well, where you can schedule service calls and manage repair parts. As is a kind of common theme throughout the Dynamics 365 applications, you can use the system for business intelligence and data insights. You can access real-time analytics with these applications, which enables you to make more confident decisions. I guess in summary, Business Central sort of streamlines your operations, leverages the cloud technology and empowers informed financial decisions for small and medium-sized businesses. And as we said before, it's kind of an all-in-one solution that incorporates both CRM and ERP, which also integrates with Microsoft 365 and various other functions. It's accessible from anywhere, and is backed by Microsoft's robust data security strategy. So that's Business Central, that's one application. We also have Dynamics 365 for sales, which is obviously your kind of Salesforce compete here. Actually, back to Business Central, that would be sort of a Xero and a QuickBooks compete, as in if you're looking at moving from Xero, from QuickBooks or Sage, Dynamics Business Central would be the application for you. Sales would be kind of moving from a Zoho or a Salesforce if you want to bring that data into a Microsoft ecosystem. So sales is a solution designed to enhance sales processes and empower your sales teams. So let's have a look at some of the key functionalities in sales. So obviously you want to nurture sales leads to cash. So Dynamics 365 sales helps you achieve more consistent sales interactions by guiding you through each stage of the sales process, all the way from creating a lead to closing a sale. There's sales forecasting functionality as well, so you can predict how much revenue your sales team will generate within a given time frame. This feature obviously allows you to make informed decisions based on your projected sales numbers. Marketing campaign management as well. So you can run and track market campaigns to promote sales activity. Customization and extensibility, so you can customize the solution to fit your specific business needs. You can tailor fields, forms and processes to match your organization's unique requirements. various business process flows available with sales, approval flows as well. Embedded intelligence, so AI-driven insights. We're going to talk a little bit about Copilot later on, but the AI-driven insights help you understand your business relationships to your customers. They'll evaluate the activities and choose the best path forward. So in terms of Copilot, Copilot can actually read all of your activities. Obviously you have to put the data in, but it can read your activities and provide you with tasks to do based on your account activities. So in essence, if you use it properly, it can basically plan your day for you. As I said, there's integration with Copilot. The sales enterprise license includes the Copilot for Sales application, which you'll see a little bit later. Also with sales, I think you can get enhanced decision making through customer insights, which we'll go through again later on, which is part of the marketing platform. Customer services. So this is another application. You can bolt it onto sales. You can have it as standalone. So customer services, really powerful solution designed to enhance customer interactions and sort of streamline your support processes and case management. It has enabled multi-channel interaction, so you can deliver value at every touch point. It allows you to engage with customers across various channels, including web chat, SMS, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Twitter, I think, as well. So you can provide consistent and personalized interactions regardless of the communication medium. And I think that's quite important in kind of today's world. Have a unified service experience, so you can create seamless service experience for your customer by maintaining a threaded view of the customer journey, where your agents can easily track and manage interactions which are related to a specific case. Obviously, you can do knowledge-based management and relevant search as well, so quickly find and offer relevant knowledge articles to customers. Your agents can then access accurate information to address all different inquiries efficiently. Agent performance optimization as well, with analytics and insights, so you can analyze, the managers can analyze operations and your customer service interactions, so you can improve customer service and customer engagement. Self-service automation as well, so through web chat you can automate self-service using Power Virtual Agents, and we'll talk a little bit about those later on, but these are AI powered chatbots that handle common queries and would sort of free up your human agents for more complex tasks. AI driven case resolution. I nearly said revolution, or it is an AI revolution. AI driven case resolution. So you can equip your agents with the right information at the right time with the AI-driven tool assist. On the right-hand side, you can ask it questions. Basically, it will read the data you already have. Has a customer asked this question before? If they have, what did you answer with? That will come up. You can send it straight to the customer. So customer service provides a suite of capabilities allowing businesses to tailor their support and case management based on their specific needs. Again, whether it's tracking cases, managing service levels, or collaborating with experts, Dynamics Customer Services empowers your organization to deliver great customer service and sort of helps you build lasting relationships with your customers. So again, that's one application, Dynamics 365 Customer Services. So we've talked about customer insights before. which kind of can drive really good kind of best practices in sales and in customer services. Customer insights has now been taken on marketing as well. So you get customer insights feeding your marketing solution, which is, again, customer insights, aka marketing, is one application which can bolt onto customer services and sales. So some of the functionalities of customer insights, which is also known as marketing. So you can align sales and marketing with a unified approach, which helps bridge the gap between sales and marketing teams. You can collaborate seamlessly to align strategies, ensuring consistent messaging across your customer engagement applications and your customer engagement teams. So sales, customer service, and marketing teams all singing from the same hymn sheet, which again provides sort of more informed decision making through data-driven insights. It helps you leverage customer data, understand prospects' behaviour by integrating with your website, understands customer preferences and interactions, so you can tailor your marketing efforts effectively. You can orchestrate customer journeys as well, which is a really kind of great bit of functionality. So you can have personalized engagement per person or per company. So based on prospect buying behavior and preferences, or company buying behavior and preferences, you can create those orchestrated customer journeys so you can deliver the right messages at the right time and through the preferred channel. In summary, Customer Insights is a marketing platform, but it also empowers your marketers to drive engagement with your customers, enhance collaboration with sales and customer services, which helps optimize marketing efforts, which at the end leads to better customer experiences and increased opportunities for your sales teams. So again, that's one application there, Customer Insights, which is a marketing application. So let's talk a bit about Copilot with Dynamics 365. Copilot is a very hot topic at the moment. So Copilot in Dynamics 365 Sales comes with an AI assistant. So Copilot assists sales teams by enhancing productivity and efficiency in their daily work. As I said earlier, it can give you tasks based on tasks you've already done. So you don't have to be proactive. It's kind of reactive task creation. It gives you quick summaries, so sellers can use Copilot to chat to get rapid summaries of opportunities and lead reports, and it keeps your sellers informed as well about recent changes to their records, drawing from audit history. You've got Copilot in Dynamics 365 as well. Copilot in Dynamics 365 Business Central. That comes with product descriptions, so you can generate compelling product descriptions based on attributes like color, material, and size, and it can read images to create marketing text. And in there, you've got an accounting assistant as well, which helps with bank reconciliation. And Copilot in customer service as well, which we discussed earlier, that comes with sort of contextual answers. So it drafts contextual answers for queries in chat and email based on what a customer has asked you before. You can ask it that question. Have I spoken to a customer about this before? And it will know, and it will give you the answer. And it has interactive chat as well. So you can provide interactive chat experiences to your customers over different knowledge bases and case history. So I'm just going to share this video, and I may have to change my sound settings, so please bear with me a second.
Nine out of 10 workers said that automation and AI-powered tools would help them focus on meaningful work.
Can everyone hear that?
Yep, can hear that.
Yep.
You can hear that? Okay, sorry,
Yeah.
2 seconds.
Liam, I can't hear it now.
Now we can.
It's gone off again, Liam. I'm not sure if you can hear it from your side, but we can't hear it this side.
I think he's had to change his sound settings to get it to come through, so he can't hear us at the moment. I'll get him to replay it when he can hear us again.
Sorry, guys.
We could hear it the first time, Liam, that you played.
Oh, sorry, I can't hear you when the video's playing. So let me try again. Sorry about that.
Liam, we still can't hear you.
Sorry, Doug, it's not working.
No, we can't hear the sound.
Sorry, I'm not sure why that's not working. Let me try it one more time, or do you want? Let me try it one more time, and you can give me an okay on the screen if you can hear it. Is that okay?
Yep.
9 out of 10 workers said that automation and AI-powered tools would help them focus on meaningful work. Introducing Microsoft Dynamics 365 Copilot, AI-powered assistance to get more done with less effort and take on the tasks that keep you from the work that matters. From summarizing meeting notes, complete with action items and follow-up dates, to helping you get started with emails and content. Whether you're a seller following up with a proposal, a marketer promoting a new product, or a service agent providing world-class customer support, Copilot is there when you need it to suggest responses, documents, and ideas in the moment, and get help just by asking in a conversational way. Copilot features can help write a compelling product description for online stores, or help find the right audience simply by typing who they want to reach. Copilot can even help with your supply chain by predicting risks before they become a problem, and provide clear steps to take action. Copilot is built into Dynamics 365 using artificial intelligence developed responsibly by Microsoft, empowering employees to deliver better customer experiences and drive efficiency across the organization. Dynamics 365 Copilot, the world's first AI copilot in both CRM and ERP.
Great. Everything okay there?
Yep, that's fine. Can hear you again.
Sorry about that. Thanks. So as you can see, as we discussed as well, there's a lot of capability in Copilot which can automate lot of time-consuming tasks for your customer services team, your sales team, and your marketing team. Just want to quickly go through what Power Platform is, because you will hear it if you kind of delve a little bit deeper into Dynamics 365. So what is Power Platform? So Power Platform is built on something called Dataverse, which Dynamics is also built on top of. And it's a suite of products that help with business analytics, so reporting, application development, so Canvas apps, which are great for kind of quick mobile apps and productivity apps there, and web portals as well. Process automation, so Microsoft flows outside of your CRM, getting data for your CRM. So any kind of email automation, once an email comes in, populate this record in CRM, etc. Power Automate can do that, and Power Virtual Agents as well. So that's just building automated chatbots on top of sort of knowledge base articles within your customer service application. So yeah, as we mentioned, Power BI, it's all about data reporting. You can visually explore and analyze data, whether that's in your CRM or on premise or in the cloud. You can integrate with Dataverse and Power Apps as well to insert reports into dashboards within CRM or tiles in different Power Apps applications. So quickly skirting through these. As I said, Power Apps as well. Power Apps is where you can build kind of small applications based on data you have in Microsoft 365, SharePoint lists, Azure, Dynamics 365 as well. So it's small productivity apps or model-driven apps on top of the Microsoft Dataverse model, where you can kind of set up portals for external users or applications for possibly people in the field, technicians, so that they can have applications on their mobile. They can fill in data on those applications, and that data will populate your CRM. Power Automate as well. So this is also all about process automation. It quickly models business processes that span across all your Power Apps and your Dynamics 365 application as well. If this, then that processes which help with process automation and approval processes, things like that. Very good for automating data entry as well. If an email comes in, if a call comes in, and you have call recording on, change that call recording to text, change that text into a record in Dynamics 365, things like that. That's a very quick overview on the Power Platform, and I just wanted to give you a quick overview on that. I'm conscious of time as well, so to summarize, do you need Dynamics 365? So are you duplicating and repeating work? How many times do you hear people moaning in your organization that they have to duplicate their work, update a tracker, for instance, update another system with the same information? Have you got outdated processes? So have you still got paper processes or processes that require manual intervention where something can go wrong? When you duplicate work, does that mean that employees are spending more time on repetitive tasks rather than something that adds value to the business? So are you lacking in productivity? Data silos again. So going back to one of the first slides, we talked about all the different applications, but some of them won't talk to each other. So how do you make best use of that data? Do you manually move that data around to report on it, or do you just ignore it, or do you get a system that kind of umbrellas all of your productivity and back office into one solution? And we all know how fast things change, so that pace isn't going to slow down. Businesses need systems that can allow them to adapt accordingly. So do you want to adapt quickly? Are you unable to adapt quickly? Now we're at the point of questions, but I just wanted to say thank you to Grant McGregor for allowing us to present on Dynamics 365 today. Hopefully you've gained an insight into what Dynamics 365 can do for your business. And I think, Doug, if it's of interest to your customers, I guess they give you a shout straight away, and we can jump on a call together.
Yeah, that's right. Thanks for that, Liam. It was really insightful and useful. Yeah, as Liam says, if anyone is interested in CRM Dynamics, then the next step would be to reach out to ourselves for a scoping call, which would take place in tandem with one of our CRM partners who are experts in these sorts of things. Any licensing can be provided by ourselves as well, so licensing quotes would come through us, and an ongoing support would be either through ourselves or through one of our CRM partners. So if anyone's interested in that, feel free to reach out to us, give me a shout on Teams or email, or give me a call, and I can set you up with a scoping call and see where it might fit into your business and help you out. If anyone does have any questions, feel free to pop them in the chat. We'll give it a few seconds, but if none come through, then we'll head off. Doesn't look like there's many coming through, so that's fine. Hopefully everyone found that useful, and I guess we've answered all the questions as part of the webinar then.
Hopefully, yeah. Right.
All right, thanks everybody. Feel free to get in touch with me if that's something you're interested in. Thanks, Liam. Thanks, Amy, and I'll speak to you all again soon.
Thank you.
Thanks, Doug. See you later.